In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send money from PayPal to another PayPal account without linking a bank account. This method is simple, safe, and convenient, allowing you to transfer funds using only your PayPal balance or a linked card. We'll go step by step, so by the end of this guide, you'll have full confidence in sending money securely without relying on a bank. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the official PayPal website. Once the homepage loads, look for the login option in the top right corner of the page. Click on it to access the login screen. Now, carefully enter your registered email address followed by your password. Double check the accuracy of your login details to prevent any issues. After entering your information, click the login button again. Once logged in, you'll land on your main PayPal dashboard where you can access all the features of your account. Next, locate the menu labeled Pay and Get Paid, or a similar option depending on your interface. Click on it to proceed. In this section, look for the button that says Send Payment, Send, or a similar call to action. Clicking this button initiates the process of transferring funds to another user. Now, you need to specify the recipient. PayPal allows you to enter their email address, mobile number, or PayPal username. Enter the correct information carefully to ensure your funds reach the intended account. Once you've confirmed the recipient, click Next. The next step is to enter the amount of money you want to send. Make sure to type the exact amount and double check for accuracy. Now it's time to choose your payment method. Even without a linked bank account, you have reliable options. Select your PayPal balance if you already have funds in your account. If your balance is insufficient, you can use a debit or credit card linked to your PayPal account. This provides flexibility while keeping your bank account unlinked. Review all the details carefully, including the recipient information, amount, and payment method. Accuracy is crucial to avoid errors. Once everything is correct, click the Send Payment button to finalize the transfer. Your money will now be sent securely to the recipient's PayPal account. And there you have it. You've successfully transferred money from one PayPal account to another without connecting a bank account. This process is safe, efficient, and perfect for personal transactions or online purchases. Thank you for following this guide. If it helped you, don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Happy transacting!